Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Shopping at a Mall Conversation PDF Cheat Sheet. You'll learn all the must-know words and phrases for shopping and getting around the mall with this new cheat sheet. Download it for free right now. Second, the Winter Words and Phrases Writing PDF Workbook. Master over 60 words and phrases for the winter season and practice writing them with this printable PDF writing workbook. Third, do you know how to say Christmas in your target language? With this 1-minute lesson, you'll learn must-know Christmas words like chimney, present, Santa Claus, and much more. Fourth, how to talk about holiday gifts. What gift do you want the most this holiday season? With this quick vocab lesson, you'll learn common gift vocabulary like laptop, camera, money, and more. And fifth, want an app that teaches you the language through real conversations? Download Innovative Language Learning for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You'll unlock bite-sized lessons that teach you basic everyday conversations between native speakers, and you'll start speaking in minutes. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.